In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid sending crypto to the wrong address. If you've ever felt that split second of panic after hitting send, this guide is for you. By the end, you'll have a simple routine that dramatically reduces risk and helps you move funds with confidence. First, always confirm the correct network before you do anything. Think of the network as the roadway your transaction travels on. Ethereum, Bitcoin, and BNB Smart Chain are separate roads. If you pick the wrong one, your funds may never arrive and could be lost permanently. Check what network the receiving wallet supports for the specific asset you're sending. If a token exists on multiple networks, choose the exact one your recipient expects. Next, copy the address carefully. Never type it by hand. Crypto addresses are long and unforgiving. One wrong character can send funds to the wrong place. Use copy and paste or a QR code scan when available. After copying, make sure you didn't include any extra spaces before or after the address. Now double check what you pasted. Compare the first 4 and last 4 characters of the address with the original and make sure they match exactly. This quick glance is a powerful safeguard. Also be mindful of clipboard malware. Malicious software can swap a copied address with an attacker's. That's why you always verify the pasted result before sending. Keep your device updated and only install trusted software. By the way, if you need the official download or website link for the wallet or exchange shown here, I've placed it right at the top of the description so you can grab it safely. Before you move a large amount, send a small test transaction first. This is your dress rehearsal. If the test lands in the right wallet on the right network, you've validated the route and can proceed with confidence. Yes, you'll pay a small fee twice, but the peace of mind is worth it. Also verify the wallet type. Make sure the asset you're sending is supported by the receiving wallet. Don't send Bitcoin to an Ethereum-only wallet, and don't assume every token works everywhere. Check the asset and chain compatibility in the wallet's details. Finally, pause and review everything. Look at the wallet address, the network, and the amount. If each item is correct, only then click send. A 10-second review can save you from a very expensive mistake. Follow this routine and you'll avoid the most common pitfalls. If you found this helpful, drop a like, stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.